上下层、中层焊点受热均匀，亮白饱满，没有氧化。这个就是我们维修人想要的一个分层效果。
Let me tell you something here. When we perform maintenance layering on the motherboard, try not to leave the heating table as much as possible. Don't play with your phone and watch videos. To avoid damage to the motherboard due to prolonged heating time, there are often situations where operators blow up the motherboard. Most cases are due to prolonged heating time. Chip with adhesive due to overheating of the motherboard. For example, CPU power supply and baseband Wi-Fi burst tin. So how can we avoid this problem? Just try not to leave the heating table and not be distracted. When the temperature of the device is about 200 degrees Celsius, let's use a blade to test the melting of the upper and lower layers of tin. If you feel that the resistance of the blade is very high, it indicates that the tin has not melted yet. We use average degrees as a basis point. When the temperature rises to 200 degrees, we'll test it again. At 210 degrees, the tin was already melting, but it's not yet possible to completely separate the motherboard. We will wait for 210 degrees before proceeding with the operation. This way, the motherboard will definitely not explode with tin. The motherboard temperature is around 210 degrees Celsius. The time we took to separate the entire motherboard was about 2.5分钟 use. This heating table has excellent temperature control performance. Welding points of each L-layer solder joints are evenly heated, bright, white, and full. This is the layering effect that our maintenance personnel want. Thanks for watching.